Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams step by step clearly. To connect Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams, begin by opening Microsoft Teams. Navigate to the channel where you want to add the Smartsheet integration. Click on the plus icon at the top of the channel to add a new tab. In the Add a Tab window, search for Smartsheet in the search bar. Select the Smartsheet app from the results. You may be prompted to sign in to your Smartsheet account. Enter your Smartsheet credentials and authorize Microsoft Teams to access your account. Once logged in, you will be presented with a list of your Smartsheet sheets. Choose the specific sheet you wish to connect to Teams. Click the Save button to add the Smartsheet as a tab in the channel. Your Smartsheet will now be accessible directly within Microsoft Teams. You can collaborate with team members and update the sheet in real time. To manage notifications, adjust your Smartsheet settings from within the app. Explore additional features, such as attaching comments or sharing updates in your Teams channel. You've successfully integrated Smartsheet with Microsoft Teams. Continue to leverage both tools for enhanced project management and team collaboration. Review and refine your processes as needed for optimal efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.